What's up guys, and this is iPhone 9, the cheaper LCD model. Thanks to OnLeaks, he's back again showing us the real iPhone 9 design based on the factory CAD drawing. Not only that, we also got our first look at the iPhone 10 Plus, the 6.5-inch OLED model that Apple will unveil in September along with the normal sized iPhone 10 or 11, whatever the name will be, along with this cheaper iPhone aka the iPhone 9. So the iPhone 9 is having a gloss back with just one single camera, following all the leaks and rumors that we've been hearing. It's pretty much like a big iPhone 8. You got gloss on the back and sides will be aluminum, of course. It will support wireless charging and overall it looks clean, but the camera seems to be protruding, so it's not flushed in. Maybe it will with the final version, but right now it looks like this. The LED flash is also there as well. Moving on to the front, we have a big 6.1-inch LCD display with a notch. Its design is similar to Apple iPhone 10 design, and no, this notch is not for aesthetic purposes, it's for that beefy Face ID sensors. Now the screen will be edge to edge like the iPhone 10 with no chin. Apple is the only company who gives you the notch along with no chin design, so that's why it's not too bad. Getting rid of the chin is hard because it requires a flexible OLED display and that costs a lot. Now, when your guest can reveal that the iPhone 9 or iPhone X Lite will be the cheaper model and will have a 5mm bezels. That's about 1mm more than the 4mm of the iPhone 10 and the 10 Plus, so not quite as same as the expensive OLED models. This iPhone 9 is rumored to have an LCD display again. It will cost cheap, somewhere between $650 to $750 of price in US. Now, for the first time, this LCD iPhone 9 could be the first iPhone to have a dual SIM support. A dual SIM iPhone could be a game changer for Apple outside of US. Switching between two carriers regularly is popular in parts of Europe and much of Asia, and it's where Android phones have taken the lead. As for the internals, it will rock an Apple A12 CPU based on 7nm process, and it will be hands down the most powerful chipset on any mobile device at least this year, along with 2 or 3GB of RAM. A12 chip will be used on all three iPhone models this year. According to Bloomberg, the A12 CPU based on 7nm process is already in production. The iPhone 9 LCD model will be the most colorful iPhone ever. According to Rosenblatt analyst, the rumored iPhone LCD model will have colors in blue, yellow, and pink in order to differentiate design with the expensive OLED models. There's been a report that says all iPhones will have OLED displays, but that's not gonna happen because it's too expensive and Samsung has other things to do rather than making OLED display for Apple all day. Now moving up the notch, we have our first look at the iPhone 10 Plus 6.5-inch model, so nothing too exciting going on. I mean, it's just a bigger iPhone 10 with a 6.5-inch OLED display, kind of like the same one I showed you guys a couple of months ago. So it has the same 4mm bezel all around with those dual cameras on the back. It's gonna be around the same size as your normal Plus iPhone model. Now, OnLeaks CAD renders revealed that we only have dual cameras on the back of iPhone 10 Plus, but according to the latest report from Korea Herald, it says that the iPhone 10 Plus of 2018 will have triple cameras. And he also said because of this, Samsung is also considering a triple camera setup for its 10th anniversary Galaxy S10. Now, I honestly think that triple camera system on the iPhone 10 Plus would be amazing. They already have optical zoom, so they can add a wide angle lens to it. It's gonna be the most complete camera setup on any phone, but I believe it's not gonna happen this year. 2019 is more likely to be the year where we'll see triple camera iPhone model. Again, we'll see more leaks about this, so right now just expect 2 cameras on the back. iPhone 10 Plus is also expected to be the first iPhone to rock a battery above 3000 mAh battery size.